How to change ChatGPT voice to male or female. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT. If you're using website, you can simply go to website of ChatGPT. Now click on two lines at the top left. Click on your name at the bottom left corner of your screen. In here, you'll find voice. Click on voice. After that, click on voice again. After you have clicked on voice, you'll find different voices. You can simply scroll to the left and you'll find male or female options. After you're done choosing, press on done at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. This is how to change ChatGPT voice to male or female. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.